Can Hester M3 PRO clean surfaces independently without supervision?
Yes. Once attached to the window, the Hester M3 independently performs one cleaning cycle of your choice and then stops. You'll need to remove the cloth, put on a clean one, and attach the robot to the same or a different surface. It's important to note that the robot does not clean frames and cannot climb over frames or separated surfaces. At first, you might feel like you want to stand next to it and observe, but it's safe to leave it and let it do its thing. The robot will inform you when it's finished its cleaning cycle, at which point you'll need to place it on a different window. Personally, I find that the time to use it is when I'm doing other chores around the house. I'll start the robot on one window, then move on to other tasks. In between, I can check in and switch it to another window. The robot takes care of all the windows while I focus on cleaning up the house.